What's the good word? What is the good word? I'm not going to redo this. All right, today we're going to do a really, really simple list. It's always good to know when a new initiative is being kicked off at a company, like a digital transformation, or when they're implementing new ICP and personas at a company, when they're launching new products. Those are great signals. It's really hard to tell before it happens, though. But today we're going to talk about data for a specific company here, a company called Canvas Health. My good friend Rich Menendez was talking about them, and they wanted to know when a company is rolling out a new EHR, electronic health records, I believe is what that stands for. So this is what we got today. So we looked at our jobs, and we just said, I imagine that EHRs take a long time to implement. So new EHR, EHR rollout, and EHR rollout separately. So we just said, give me all the jobs. It doesn't matter what industry in the last 180 days that mention this. And this job, this chief information officer, nice seniority here, I didn't even filter by that, mentions the new EHR system the most. Now you can imagine that Canvas Health might care about value-based care or alternative payment models, so other types of things that they talk about in these companies. So we've got this data here. So what we did is we just pulled the companies. Looks like there are 85. Now we have the industries here. So some of these people are recruiting companies that are recruiting for other larger hospital groups, IT services consulting. We have the actual jobs there, 115 jobs. And then the actual, not only the text, but the phrases that we found new EHR in. So you basically can run ChatGPT programmatically in Clay against these phrases to understand exactly how they're talking about this EHR system to see if it's a good fit. It's best to use ChatGPT to score things, to say on a scale of 1 to 10. And then, courtesy of my friends at ocean.io, they have given you the contacts. We got almost 1,000 contacts here, VP or director level, that work at those companies. So you want to reach out and you can say, oh, by the way, I didn't tell you, this is the number of times that we found it in the job and the number of keywords mentioned. So this Skillbird, which is they're a hiring company, so they're good, not a good fit, but like SteadyMD, in 6 jobs, they mention new HR 6 times. So probably each job mentions it 1 time. So you can kind of see that you have got a really good list here with an opinion about why you should message them and what's actually going on at the company, so you know that they're thinking about change. We also could do something fancier too. We could say company description. So instead of doing industry, I could say healthcare, hospital. So it has to say this in their company description inside the job description. So we've actually parsed this information. And I could say something like digital transformation, which is a more generic word, to see if, so this should actually limit this query. We've got 180 days, so 6 months ago. So you can see, wow. So now if we actually looked at hospitals and healthcare with digital transformation, also people that are thinking about something that related probably to, let's actually do the United States, probably related to a new EHR system. There's a bunch of really cool ways to query this data. So you can see, wow, digital transformation. This company, let's see what they are. This healthcare company, the Ronald McDonald House, they're all up in digital transformation. So good way to determine the types of companies to target. Have an absolutely wonderful Tuesday. See you on the flip side. Bye.